Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Keycloak, manage identity and SSO step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Keycloak URL provided by your administrator. Press enter to navigate to the Keycloak login page. Once the page loads, you'll see the login fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have a one-time password or are using two-factor authentication, have your authentication method ready. Depending on your setup, you might see a prompt for the authentication code. Enter the code if prompted, then click the login button. Wait a moment for the system to validate your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to the Keycloak Management Console. From here, you can manage identities, roles, and settings for single sign-on. If you encounter an error message, verify your username and password for accuracy. If there are still issues, you may need to reset your password or contact your administrator for assistance. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the console layout. Explore the options available to manage user access and settings effectively. You are now ready to navigate the Keycloak interface and utilize its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.